Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and this is my recap of the top field videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the euro dollar this morning, I was talking about how I was not going to even think about going long until we had a breaker structure to the upside. This is my breaker structure, this blue box right here, which is roughly the 4 to 8 hour time frame, because that's tuned correctly in my opinion. Then what happened? Well, if you put your Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here, price made one, two, three waves up, respected a Fibonacci level, made an engulfing move to the downside. I think that most people really overcomplicate trading. Really, all you have to do is find a trend, look for one, two, three wave pullbacks, one, two, three wave pullbacks, one, two, three wave pullbacks, one, two, three wave pullbacks to go short until the trend is over. I can't even imagine how many people tried to go long today thinking this thing was going to go up and finally break structure. And then what happened was the trend traders are the only ones making money again, or maybe the scalpers also. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.